In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Google Ads conversion tracking on your Shopify store in 2025 so you can track your sales and optimize your ad performance more effectively. First, make sure you are on the official Google Ads website and already logged in with your credentials. Click on Goals. As you can see, you'll find the conversion option. Click on that and then choose Website as your conversion source. Enter your website domain, let Google scam your site, and then fill out the conversion details. For the category, select the one that fits your business. For the value, you can either assign a fixed value or set different values for each conversion. Once done, click Save and Continue. Now you'll get two pieces of code. The global site tag, this needs to be placed on every page of your store. The event snippet, this should go on the thank you or order confirmation page. Let's add these to Shopify. Log into your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left menu, click Online Store, then Themes. Next to your active theme, click Options, then Edit Code. Open the theme.liquid file and paste the global site tag right before the closing /head tag. Save your changes. Next, go back to your Shopify admin and click Settings, then Checkout. Scroll down to the Order Status page section. In the Additional Scripts box, paste the event snippet. Shopify will automatically populate the purchase value using liquid variables. Just make sure to replace the placeholder label with your real tracking ID. Save your changes. To confirm everything is working, use the Google Tag Assistant or the Google Ads Conversion Debugger. Place a test order, and after a few hours, check if the conversion appears in your Google Ads account. And that's it. You've successfully installed Google Ads conversion tracking on your Shopify store. Tracking conversions helps you understand your return on ad spend and make smarter marketing decisions. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.